we are here guys at Royal Automotive in Amman, Jordan Museum. It's a car museum and car that is part of their history. Ayan siya. Automotive Museum. Wow, look at the motorcycle. Very nice. Wow. Ganda oh. Harley Davidson. Wow. And this is one of their cars. Ano kayang brand to? Ganda. What's this? Cadillac. Oh, it's a Cadillac. Type 53 Touring. Ganda. Yeah, here is another car. I think this is a presidential car. Range Rover siya. Range Rover. Sheer Rover by Wood and Pickett. Ganda. Range Rover. Range Rover. Wow. Nice. Ganda ng interior. Oh, white. White interior. So, ito na ba. Let's go. Oh, so this is their military car. Yan. This is their military car. Ganda. Oh, Land Rover to. Yung isa naman Range Rover. Yung next naman is, I think it's a tank of the old era. Yeah. Rain, you imagine this is a tank? A battle, like a Hummer. Yeah. A Hummer car.
So beautiful.
Yeah, what's this car? It's a Rolls-Royce armored vehicle. Yan. Yan, Rolls-Royce. Yeah. Armored vehicle. It's like a Humvee. What? Guys, look at this one. Ganda. Ooh, it's a tank. You see? Tank. Tapos ito naman yung parang motorcycle nila. One of their motorcycle. It's wow. Oh, look, Volkswagen. There's another armored car. I think it's a Volkswagen. Wow. And look at this. Oh, ito yung tricycle nila nung araw. De, joke lang. Part of the military vehicle nila to. It's an armored. Ganda oh. Look at that. Wow. It's a light tractor pang farmer. Yeah, farmer. And we go here. Okay, this is Humber Super Snipe. Okay. Armored vehicle siguro to. Ganda oh. So nice. Guys, this is another motorcycle. It's a Oh, look, it's a Triumph. Triumph motorcycle, guys. Look. Triumph. Diba? Tagal na ng Triumph pala dito. So, this is a Triumph Thunderbird T6. Okay? It's nice. Thunderbird T6. And this is wow, ganda. This is an Aston Martin. Wow. It's an Aston Martin. Yeah. Aston Martin. Wow, but with the spokes, guys. Oh, the bags, the wheels. Wow. Ito na Aston Martin, no? Wow. This is nice. Look at that car. Spokes. Guys, is one of their history. Ito parang may rally ata or parade yan. It's an H.M. King Hussein by 1952 Lincoln Capri. Convertible in England. Diba? Ganda. Hey, royal car. Ayan siya. There naman, other side. Ganda rin ito. Matakbo pa kaya ito. It's a Rover P4 75. Nice. Okay, lipat tayo. So, this car naman is a Bristol 401 Coupe. Oh, may Bristol pala. Yan, Bristol yan. 401 Coupe. Ganda oh. Nice. So, coupe yan, coupe. Maliit siya. This one naman, it's a Buick 70 Roadmaster convertible. Top down siya. Ganda. Wow. This is amazing. Yes, wow, presidential car na naman siguro to. Bandera eh. Yeah. This is a Mercedes-Benz 300D Cabriolet. Wow, nice. Nice interior. Ganda ng leather. The other side naman, ito convertible ulit. Galing, no? Gusto nila mga convertible. Next is a Buick also, Skylark 100 convertible. Oh, look, ang convertible again. So, ayan, as you can see, ginamit to ng mga king. Ayan, king nila. So, this is a Lincoln Continental convertible. Okay, that's nice. Ganda. Oh, wow. Very nice. So, next naman is a Cadillac Type 75 Fleetwood Imperial. So, this is an armored car. Ayan. Armored car. So, guys, ganda. See? Pay attention to detail. See? Wow. Amazing. So, this one naman sa Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.3. Grabe yung makina. 6.3. Ang tangke na to. Ayun. Ito. Next naman guys, Rolls Royce again. Phantom 5. Ganda oh. Siguro bullet 15 to. Ayun, ganda. Rolls Royce. Wow. This is nice. This one, siguro Rolls Royce din to. Oh yeah, it's Rolls Royce also. Nice. And this one, Rolls Royce again, Silver Shadow. Ganda. Wow. Wow. So this one is a Mercedes 500 SEL. And ito naman yung motorcycle. This was, I think, from James Bond movie. So, Harley Davidson. Very nice. Ganda. So, papa dun, no? Ganda, no? So, this is Mercedes-Benz 600 LWB Pullman. So, ito limousine. So, this is like a limousine. Limousine. And then here is another Mercedes. Oh, Ito. G500 na Mercedes. Ang ganda ng kulay. Like the color. Wow, color is nice. So guys, ito na naman is Mercedes 280 GE. Oh, ganda oh. Wow. Parang pick up. Ganda. Ganda na loob. Okay. So the other one is a Mercedes-Benz S600 Armored. So, yan, armored car. Ganda. And this is Ford 810 Westchester. Whoa, damn. It's like a Batmobile. So yan guys, kakalahati pa lang tayo. Madami pa nila. Oh. Wow! So, this is Buick Super Series 56 convertible coupe. Ang ganda. Damn. Diba? Tapos, siguro to Buick din to. If I'm not mistaken. Ulit tayo. Ayun na naman. Ang ganda na yung sasakyan nila. Rolls Royce again. Silver Wraith. Sedan Cadeville by Franay. Wow. Ganda. And this one. Mercedes Benz Roadster. Ganda. Ito. And this one is Lincoln convertible. Ganda. We're just halfway guys. So ito. Ganda. Chrysler naman to. Town and Country oh. Kondo. Town and Country. Amazing. Ganda ng detail. So dito tayo sa fun part motorcycle. So here are the motorcycle. One Douglas Endeavor and BMW R2. So ito yung one Douglas no. Endeavor. And then naman yung MacArthur. Oh, ganda. BMW pala, sorry. Douglas MacArthur. Yung isa, Douglas Endeavor. This is BMW R2. And this is Packard Super 8 convertible. Grabe. This one naman, number 1, Harley Davidson VLD Big Twin. Oh, ganda. Sa Big Twin. Tapos yung isa, Harley Davidson VLD Flathead Custom. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Open engine sila. Yan. This is a Mercedes-Benz motor, 1996-1997. Typical modern aluminum V8 engine. Oh, ang V8 engine. Ang laki oh. Damn. Oh, diba? Tapos, ito naman, mga lumang motorcycle nila. Ayan. And this one, I don't know. Ay, cute ang motor. Look at that tiny dude. Okay, meron pa doon pero mga TV na yun. Ayun. Dami pa guys. So look, small motorcycle. Siguro sa mga royal family yan. Ooh, ganda. O, diba? May pantahi pa sila oh. Part pa rin yan ng history pangtahi, no? Walang sasakyan kung walang pantahi kasi wala silang cover. Naman. Another one. Ano naman to? Ganda Nice. So this is Packard 12 dual core Peyton barrel roasters. What that means. Oh, classic chadeng. So this is a Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. So sa motorcycles naman tayo, ang dami. Oh, what's this? Maganda yun Ito BMW modern na to. Then meron din doon, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. 5, so tingnan natin. Hi. So yan, ang cute na ganito ang picturean guys. Yan, picture na lang natin isa-isa. Kasi ito ganda nito. Itong motor na to. Then doon ay modern din. Ang cute ito. Para siya yung Night Rider ba yun? Oh, this one guys, classic skeleton. Parang motor ni Ghost Rider di ba? Ito. There one also there. So, siya. So, ito din. Ganda ng motor ganda ng motor. Ito, lahati lang to 50%. Pag naghingan discount, ganito lalabas 50%. Ayan. Hindi na kayo magwawadiram Okay na dyan. Hindi na kayo magwawadiram. Rain, what's that? Is that pwede ba i-touch yan? So, ganda din ito. Okay, I just finished my car vlog. Wow, grabe. Dami pa. Dami pa, guys. Ito na to. Tapos, ito is Mercedes ulit, 450 SEL, classic. Yan. Ayan. Grabe, Tingnan nyo yung tricycle ng Jordan, Ayan. Tricycle yan ng Jordan, Diba? Ganda. Saan ka pa? Indian Chief? Yan, tricycle ng Jordan yan. Ooh, what is that? Damn! So awesome. Sabi, modern na yan, Tapos yan. Oh my gosh! Sana na-drive ko yan. So, this is Evolve Xenon 2012. Arc Vector. Wow, Angel Edition. Wow, grabe. Tapos ito. What? Look at that map. Ang ganda, That one, Look at that one, How do you drive that? What?
Meron yan sa time zone.
What is this? Ooh! Guys, you know what's this? You know what's this? Bugatti! Oh, dami Bugatti. I think it's around $300,000. Veyron Sangdiargent. Oh, grabe. Oh, Bugatti. Oh, grabe. Bugatti.
Gumagana
Damn.
pa kaya mga to?
Yeah?
Tinanggal kaya nila yung makina?
Hindi. Paano na ilalabas? Grabe, oh guys.
Number naman natin.
V12. Sakyan. Ito ang kawirduhan sa kanila. Pinaka-weirdo. Oh, grabe oh. Pag ayaw mong paupuin yung kasama mo, isasara mo yun. Ikaw lang mag-isa. O, di ba? Mga sasakyan to ng mga konbiskompyado. Yan. Yung isa lang yung one. Ooh, la 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 la. Nice. So naman, Porsche Carrera GT. Parang sa kwento. Bad boys. Kaya yung sasakyan nila. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Tapos dito naman, sa area na to, this is BMW M1. Wow, classic sports car. This is naman is, ito yung bad boys na one. 911, no? Turbo. Ganda. Turbo. Ano naman yung kay Vin Diesel. Lamborghini. Ay, hindi. Lamborghini pala to. Espada. Ganda. Tapos ito naman is Porsche 911 3.6 turbo. Ganda. Ito pala yun sa Bad Boys 1. Panther convertible. Ang ganda. Ferrari F40. Ganda oh. Ferrari pa rin talaga maganda. Right? Yan, F50 naman to. Ganda. So this is the, ano naman to? What is this car? Mercedes 16 valve 190E. Oh, this is one of the engine. Lotus Esprit Turbo. Ganda oh. And this is the Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle Destroyer. What the heck? Ooh. Ganda. Ganda. Grabe. Guys, this is one of the best motor show that I've ever experienced. Ooh, walang tao. Tapos may Bugatti. Ganda. Diba? Ganda. Dami dun, oh. Motorcycle. Classic car. Sports car. So, yan. And then, yan. Ganda nito, oh. Oh, diba? One-seater na sports car. Diba? Pag ayaw mo pa upuin yung kasama mo, isara mo yun. Grabe. Oh. Diba? Oh. Wow. Oh. We're almost done. It's a Ferrari F50, oh. Oh, see the interior, guys. Oh. Ang ganda. So, ito, cute naman. Cute! This is a Renault Gordini. Okay, so sports car niya sa Europe, ganyan. And this is, oh, what's this? Oh, Mercedes din. Mercedes-Benz 190 2.5 Evolution. Oh, ganda. Guys, look at these cute little cars. Oh, two-stroke yan ha. Yan, two-stroke yan. Oh, look at the back of the Mercedes. Ito guys, can't let this pass. Amazing to. Ganda. Oh, what car is this? Cobra replica. Oh, ganda. So this naman is a Fatbagger Razorback. Oh, grabe ganda. Ganda oh. Damn. So ito naman, mga luma na to. Oh, ang cute oh. Mga off-road. Yeah, this is the rally cars. I'm mistaken. Opel. Opel ulit. Ford naman to. Okay. That's it guys. That's a wrap. Yeah.